Public service announcement for you guys. Google might have accidentally broken your website. No, the title and the thumbnail of this video are not clickbait. This is completely true. But the good news is that a fix is already available. So I'm here to tell you what happened. And if you haven't already updated to the latest version of the plugin that I'm going to talk about, then why you should do it immediately. So if you didn't already know, Google has an official plugin for WordPress. It's called Sitekit by Google. And what this plugin lets you do is add Google services to your website pretty easily. So for example, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google AdSense, Google Tag Manager, and a couple of additional services. And we've actually recommended this plugin to be used by beginners because it's easy to use. And you can see right here, it's used by over 1 million websites. And what happened last night, or I'd say just a few hours ago, maybe less than 20 hours ago, some users started reporting issues with this plugin, or sites were going down with Sitekit installed. So some users started seeing these kinds of errors. Some users started seeing these kinds of critical errors on the site, and some people also noticed that this was happening on their websites. And this, I'd say the chatter was happening on Twitter as well, and the WordPress support forum was also filled with some of these kinds of issues that Sitekit what causing issues. Now, what happened? Google officially made a statement about this that 1.38 version of the plugin, which is now updated to 3.8.1, which contains the fix, had some code which conflicted with some other plugin, or I'd say conflicted with some basic technology. But what happened was, since this plugin was, or 1.38 version was available for a few months, it didn't cause an issue for some reason. But what happened was then additional plugins or other plugins were updated, and that caused a conflict with Sitekit. So this was the reason, primary reason. Well, now which plugins were responsible, that's not been confirmed by Google. There is an official statement by one of the contributors or support guys. I'll leave a link down to this support message in the description, so you can check it out. But Google was quick to update this or release a fix, which is 1.38.1. So if you're using this plugin, or if one of your clients use this plugin, make sure you update it to 1.38.1. And just to give you an update, WP Tavern also covered this. I'll leave links down to that story in the description as well. According to the WordPress or directory, or according to WordPress data, 35.6% of users were using the 1.38 version. So they should automatically be getting the automatic update if they have enabled in the settings. But the rest of the people, or the rest, I'd say around 65% of the people who haven't updated to the recent version, they might not get this fix. So that's why this video is being made. If you're using Sitekit, if you know a friend who uses Sitekit, if you know a client or you have clients that use Sitekit plugin, make sure that it's updated to the latest version, or you might be having these issues. I'm not guaranteeing that 1.38 is causing these issues. As I said, some plugin was causing this conflict, and it's not the plugin's fault. It's just something that they failed to notice. But if you have this, or if you're using the Sitekit plugin, make sure you update it to the 1.38 version or 3.8.1 version, sorry. And if you do that, then you should have no issues whatsoever. And that's it. This is a simple public service announcement for this video. Make sure to like it, share it with somebody who might be affected by this, and also subscribe to our channel if you want to get timely updates just like this one for you guys. All right, take care.